Cardano value equivalent to 849 rands a coin. The present cost range 848.56. The earlier day close 852. The change was 0.335%. Converse rate ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 588 rands. Exorbitant cost 730, while low cost 588. The found the middle value of cost 647. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 682. Change for September 16%. Cardano gauge for October 2024. To start with, cost at 682 rands. Exorbitant cost 682, while low cost 540. The found the middle value of cost 621. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 581. Change for October 14.8%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 581 rands. Exorbitant cost 721, while low cost 581. The found the middle value of cost 639. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 674. Change for November 16%. Cardano estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 674 rands. Exorbitant cost 837, while low cost 674. The found the middle value of cost 742. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 782. Change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at 782 rands. Exorbitant cost 951, while low cost 782. The found the middle value of cost 851. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 889. Change for January 13.7%. Cardano gauge for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 889 rands. Excessive cost 948, while low cost 824. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 887. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 886. Change for February's on 3%. Cardano cost expectation for WARC 2025. At the outset, cost at 886 rands. Excessive cost 886, while low cost 725. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 819. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 780. Change for spring 12%. Cardano figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 780 rands. Excessive cost 849, while low cost 737. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 790. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 793. Change for April 17%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 793 rands. Exorbitant cost 862, while low cost 750. The found the middle value of cost 803. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 806. Change for May 16%. Cardano figure for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 806 rands. Excessive cost 880, while low cost 764. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 818. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 822. Change for June 2%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 822 rands. Exorbitant cost 898, while low cost 780. The found the middle value of cost 835. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 839. Change for July 1%. Cardano estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 839 rands. Exorbitant cost 991, while low cost 839. The found the middle value of cost 899. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 926. Change for August 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 916 rands. Excessive cost 943, while low cost 819. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 892. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 881. Change for September 4.9%. Cardano conjecture for October 2025. At the outset, cost at 881 rands. Excessive cost 1094, while low cost 881. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 970. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1022. Change for October 16%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 1022 rands. Exorbitant cost 1111, while low cost 965. The found the middle value of cost 1034. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1038. change for November 16%. Cardano estimate for December 2025. To start with, cost at 1038 rands. Exorbitant cost 1129, while low cost 981. They found the middle value of cost 1051. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1055, change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 1055 rands. Excessive cost 1064, while low cost 924. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1009. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 994, change for January 58%. Cardano figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 994 rands. Excessive cost 1101, while low cost 957. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1020. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1029, change for February 35%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 1029 rands. Excessive cost 1029, while low cost 852. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 957. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 916, change for spring 11%. Cardano conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 916 rands. Excessive cost 1124, while low cost 916. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1002. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1050, change for April 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 1050 rands. Excessive cost 1142, while low cost 992. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1063. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1067, change for May 16%. Cardano conjecture for June 2026. At the outset cost at 1067 rands. Excessive cost 1160, while low cost 1008. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1080. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1084, change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at 1084 rands. Excessive cost 1178, while low cost 1024. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1097. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1101, change for July 16%. Cardano estimate for August 2026. To start with cost at 1101 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.9, while low cost 1101. They found the middle value of cost 1184. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1223, change for August 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2026. First and foremost cost at 1223 rands. Exorbitant cost 1223, while low cost 1062. They found the middle value of cost 1163. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1142, change for September 6%.